Prince Rahim in Switzerland, Princess Zara in India, Prince Amin in Canada, Muslim Footprints Season 2, Global Ismaili Civic Day, and more. It's been an exciting month. Join me for this month's recap on the Ismaili Update. Ya Ali Madat, Shagotom, and welcome to the Ismaili Update September Recap. My name is Sephora Shah, and I'm excited to be your host today, coming from Dhaka, Bangladesh. Earlier this month, Prince Rahim met with Federal Councillor Ignacio Cassis, head of the Federal Department of Foreign Affairs of the Swiss Federation, to discuss cooperation between Switzerland and the Aga Khan Development Network (AKDN) in countries and regions of shared interest. Did you know that the agencies of the AKDN are headquartered in Switzerland? The Swiss Federation has been a long-standing partner of AKDN across a wide range of fields, including fighting against climate change, development cooperation in multiple sectors, and humanitarian response. Princess Zara, accompanied by her daughter Sara, completed a 5-day working visit to India, where they visited educational projects across Gujarat, Telangana, and Maharashtra, and attended an institutional dinner hosted by the Ismaili Council for India. In case you missed it, we released an episode of the Ismaili Update from India with more details about this visit. Just a few days ago, Prince Amin attended the annual Lapis Ball at the Aga Khan Museum. The Lapis Ball offers a platform to celebrate, educate, and inspire the audiences about the work that the museum does to connect cultures through the arts. On the 12th of September, the Aga Khan Museum and the Ismaili Center Toronto celebrated their 10th anniversary. In honor of the anniversary, the Mayor of Toronto, Olivia Chow, hosted Prince Amin at her office to thank Maulana Hazar Imam for his contributions to the city. This month, Muslims around the world commemorated Miladul Nabi, literally meaning the birth of the Prophet. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his progeny, was born in Mecca in 570 CE and grew up to be a respected merchant known for his honesty, integrity, and trustworthiness. At the age of 40, he received his first revelation from Allah, marking the commencement of his mission as Allah's last and final messenger. This past weekend, many Jamaats around the world participated in Global Ismaili Civic Day. For those who may not know, Ismaili Civic is a global program in which the Jamaat honors our centuries-old tradition of serving humanity. We do this by volunteering to improve the quality of life of the communities in which we live, regardless of faith, gender, and ethnicity. This international endeavor reflects the community's ethic of civic engagement and good citizenship and embodies Islam's core values of service, peace, compassion, and care for humanity at large. Here to tell us more is Mehdi Uncle.
And thank you, Sephora. Yesterday, the 29th of September, marked the 4th Global Ismaili Civic Day. Thousands of volunteers across 36 countries participated in activities ranging from planting mangrove trees and creating microforests to organizing beach and park cleanups to donating blood and essential resources and much more. This year's theme is environmental stewardship, encouraging us to implement and support initiatives which aim to conserve, protect, and create a more sustainable environment. Keep following the Ismaili social channels and visit the.smiley/civic to see more updates from this year's Global Ismaili Civic Day.
Thank you so much, Mehdi Uncle. Speaking of global events, last week at the Ismaili Center Dubai, leaders of the Jamaat, diplomats, and delegates from the Dubai government gathered for the official launch of the Global Encounters Festival 2025. For more details about the event and the programming guide, visit the website on the screen. Get ready to embark on another incredible journey with Muslim Footprints. The first episode of Season 2 is being released tomorrow, the 1st of October. Episodes will be released every 2 weeks on all major podcast platforms, including YouTube, Spotify, Podbean, and Apple Podcasts. And don't worry, if you missed Season 1, it's available on all those platforms as well. Join us as we continue to explore the rich history of the Muslim community, uncovering new stories, perspectives, and inspirations. This October, candidates interested in the Secondary Teacher Education Program, STEP, can submit applications and take the first step towards a fulfilling career as a professional secondary level teacher within the Jamaat. STEP equips trainee teachers with the skills, knowledge, and training needed to teach the IIS secondary curriculum. Trainees earn both an MA in Muslim Societies and Civilization and a postgraduate diploma in teaching and reflective practice, with the entire program fully funded, covering tuition fees, living allowances, and accommodation. Visit the website on screen for more details. Applications are due by 21st October 2024. What an exciting September! It has been my pleasure to be your host today. Thank you, and Ya Ali Madad.